matter which sensor you're selecting, whether it's the IMU, the AHRS, or the INS, we recommend that you start out with a development kit instead of an individual sensor. This is because the development kit is going to come with all of the components you need to simplify integration and get to market faster. The kit is going to come in a container similar to this one. And inside of it, you will find several different components. Most importantly, you'll find the sensor you select. I've got a rugged sensor in this case. There's a few different form factors which we'll cover in videos moving forward. Also, inside of this development kit, you're going to find a GPS antenna that's going to fit the application or the sensor package which you end up purchasing. There's also going to be cables for interface. Along with these physical components, there are also a couple things that we provide above and beyond what's inside the kit. We provide support hours. In addition to that support, our sensor also comes with a few options of software firmware. This firmware is the CL tool, the eval tool, and an SDK, and we can help you work through those and put the information you need into it and help you understand those tools if you need. It's also included in our documentation. If you have any questions about the development kit, the components inside, or how to order one, we have a link below. Go ahead and click that or give us a call. We're more than happy to help you through this process.